Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Infinite Learnopedia. In this video, I will be sharing with you some websites which will help you with your online MCQ exam. Before starting, do watch my previous video on tips and tricks how to ace your online exam. Shall give link of that video in the description box. Do watch that video. Now let's get started. Number one website is sandfoundry.com. On sandfoundry.com, you will get MCQs of different branch. For example, civil, mechanical, chemical and all other branches. MCA, BCA, all these. You will also get MCQ for school of class 8 to 12. Scroll down and you can see MCQ for different branches. To get MCQ for a branch, just click on branch wise MCQ. For example, I want MCQ for BCA. Click on BCA. Towards the left panel, you can see different subjects. Here you can see different subjects. You also get a lot of content on this website. MCQ is also available for different subjects. For example, I want MCQ of data structure subject. Click on this. So when you click on a particular subject, topics of that subject will be seen. So you can click on a topic and topic wise MCQs are also available. In this way you can access sandfoundry.com. Let's move on to the second website is examveda.com. Similar way, you will also get MCQs and content on this website for different branches. Number one website, sandfoundry.com and examveda.com. These two are very important websites where questions are asked from this website in the exam. Third website is letsfindcourse.com. Here also you can get MCQs for your subjects. Fourth website is Tutorials Point. Tutorialspoint.com is a very common website where you get tutorials for different subjects. So this is the home page of tutorialspoint.com where you can get tutorials, MCQs and a lot of content on this website. Number fifth website is javatpoint.com. This website is different from the other website. This website also contains online quiz. You can also give practice quiz online on this website. The last website is Unipune. I have already shared a video on this, how to get material, how to get study material from Unipune. Shall also give link of this video in the description box. Do watch that video to know how to access or how to get study material from SPPU. So on Unipune, you also get study material. A lot of content is available here. You can download a PDF file. You also get PPT for your topics. Hope these 6 websites will help you to excel your exam. Before ending this video, a very important point I want to share with you all is one important tip, that is bookmark the websites from which you are studying your MCQs. While attempting online exam, you will come across the question you have studied from the website. Make note of that website which will further help you for your online exams. With this, do not forget to hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel Infinite Learnopedia. Thank you for watching.